Hello again, welcome back. I'll be cleaning the frame and the parts and slowly building it back up. Here I am trying the new cranks for the first time. Looks good. Since I'm limited to this crank's 2 chainrings due to unique BCD, I will be going for the big rear cog. Here I put on a 52 chainring and a 21 cog. Checking for chain line, I smell a problem. After inspecting the frame, we decided we're gonna keep the patina. I think this paint job still has years of life left, so just clean and rebuild. I put lots of grease under the new cog. Learned this method from the legend Garrett Cho. He was visiting a friend in Istanbul years ago. Met him in the shop I worked as an apprentice. Anyways, grease seals this contact point from water splash during winter. If you ride in the rain, you would know. It's time to set up the drivetrain. I put on a new chain, figured the correct length and cut it. Figure the correct length again. So the chain line issue. On a single speed bike with no chain tensioner, you need your chain in a perfect line with your cog and the chain ring. So sum it up. This is a rear hub. This is the bottom bracket. So we have our cranks here. This is a rear cog. So right now, since we installed the same bottom bracket and we have a slightly bigger chain ring, our line is kind of crooked. So it's supposed to go, let's say, slightly more horizontal, but it is not. So we need a slightly narrow bottom bracket. To complete the drivetrain, we need pedals with straps. I had different pedals planned for this bike, but the crankset is French thread, so we use French threaded pedals. Just need to adapt the straps to the pedals. Final touches and we're almost done. My OCD didn't like it. Thank you for making it this far. See you next time.